Before we get started, I want to tell you about a company who's been providing telecom services since 1985. US Tech is an industry leader in providing low-cost VoIP, UCaaS, SIP trunks, and every kind of telephone service in between, including our new AI agent, which gives your business assurance that you'll never miss a call again. US Tech can drastically lower your phone bills, provide telephone service for your home or business within hours, and provide ongoing technical support along the way. That's US Tech. Call, text, or chat today and let US Tech do the work for you. Now, this page can give you your MAC address and the address that we just put into our web browser up here. Where we're going to want to go to configure this phone is Settings. And then we're going to want to go to Auto Provision. If your carrier has a template that they've already given you the credentials for, go to Auto Provision. And these are the things that we're going to put into the field here: our server URL, username, and password. And these are the three things that you're going to need from your SIP provider. And this is what ustech.com can give you. And like I said, we can do this for you as well, so you never have to touch the phone until it arrives already pre-programmed.